Hi Hema,
Hi, Mommy.
how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Great, let's start farm animals test. Spell farm.
F-A-R-M.
Animals.
A-N-I-M-A-L-S.
Crocodile.
C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E.
Vulture.
V-U-L-T-U-R-E for vulture.
Beaver.
B-E-A-V-E-R for beaver.
Iguana.
I-G-U-A-N-A for iguana.
Jaguar.
J-A-G-U-A-R for jaguar.
Leopard.
L-E-O-P-A-R-D for leopard.
Quail.
Q-U-A-I-L for quail.
Zebu.
Z-E-B-U for zebu.
Newt.
N-E-W-T.
Hippopotamus.
H-I-P-P-O-P-O-T-A-M-U-S.
Elephant.
E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T.
Yak.
Y-A-K.
Rooster.
R-O-O-S-T-E-R.
Peacocks.
P-E-A-C-O-C-K-S.
Kangaroo.
K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O.
Alligator.
A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R.
Buffalo.
B-U-F-F-A-L-O.
Unicorn.
U-N-I-C-O-R-N.
Deer.
D-E-E-R.
Camel.
C-A-M-E-L.
Hen.
H-E-N.
Bunny.
B-U-N-N-Y.
Pony.
P-O-N-Y.
Tiger.
T-I-G-E-R.
Walrus.
W-A-L-R-U-S.
Penguin.
P-E-N-G-U-I-N.
Giraffe.
G-I-R-A-F-F-E.
Dragon.
D-R-A-G-O-N.
Bear.
B-E-A-R.
Lion.
L-I-O-N.
Hawk.
H-A-W-K.
Mice.
M-I-C-E.
Mouse.
M-O-U-S-E.
Birds.
B-I-R-D-S.
Monkey.
M-O-N-K-E-Y.
Turkey.
T-U-R-K-E-Y.
Donkey.
D-O-N-K-E-Y.
Goat.
G-O-A-T.
Sheep.
S-H-E-E-P.
Pig.
P-I-G.
Piglet.
P-I-G-L-E-T.
Goose.
G-O-O-S-E.
Horse.
H-O-R-S-E.
Frogs.
F-R-O-G-S.
Froglet.
F-R-O-G-L-E-T. Froglet.
Wolf.
W-O-L-F.
Cow.
C-O-W.
Dog.
D-O-G.
Cat.
C-A-T.
Rat.
R-A-T.
Bat.
B-A-T.
Snake.
S-N-A-K-E.
Rabbit.
R-A-B-B-I-T.
Puppy.
P-U-P-P-Y.
Puppies.
P-U-P-P-I-E-S.
Kitten.
K-I-T-T-E-N.
Bee.
B-E-E.
Owl.
O-W-L.
Zebra.
C-E-B-R-A.
Duck.
D-U-C-K.
Chicken.
C-H-I-C-K-E-N.
Flamingo.
F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O.
Worm.
W-O-R-M.
Spider.
S-P-I-D-E-R.
Ladybug.
O-A-D-Y-B-U-G.
Fly.
F-L-Y.
Grasshopper.
G-R-A-S-S-H-O-P-P-E-R.
Butterfly.
B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y.
And butterflies.
B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S.
Ants.
A-N-T-S.
Fox.
F-O-X.
Zoo.
Z-O-O.
Great job, Hema, for spelling farm animals. You did
missed one.
very well. Which one I miss, you think?
Zebra.
You did spell zebra, okay?
Okay.
In all, you spelled 73 words.
What?
You spelled 70 animals. And you also spell farm animals and zoo. So in all, you spell 73 words. I'm proud of you. You did well. Great job. And I give you 100 out of 500. Continue the good work, okay?
Okay.
And continue to explore more different kinds of animals.
Thank you.
Great job. So, are you happy?
Yeah.
Great, I'm happy too. How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Date of birth?
My date of birth is July 2nd, 2011.
Spell Hema,
Haymaa.
Anjo,
Anjo.
Bishram.
Bisram.
Great job, Hema, Anjo, Bishram. Enjoy the beautiful day.
Yes, and do you like my dress and leggings and shoes?
Of course, I love it. You are very, very beautiful. Okay, darling?
Thank you.
So you have a good day.
You too. I love you.
I love you in my heart.
I love you in my soul.
Okay, bye.
Bye.